For centuries, sailors have whispered tales of an unimaginable horror lurking beneath the waves, a beast of nightmares, a phantom of the deep. They called it the Kraken. Hidden in the crushing depths where no light reaches, this colossal cephalopod remains unseen until hunger calls. It begins with a ripple, a disturbance that shatters the stillness of the ocean. The crew senses something, but it is already too late. Like a nightmare come to life, the Kraken strikes with terrifying speed. Its limbs, each as thick as an ancient tree, coil around the ship, crushing wood and steel as if they were paper. With an earth-shaking roar, the sea itself seems to open, swallowing its victim whole. No cries remain, no trace survives, only silence, and the endless, indifferent ocean legends tell of survivors, broken and raving, claiming they glimpsed the beast's eye, an abyss of knowing and hunger. But the Kraken does not seek recognition, it does not seek vengeance, it simply waits. From the sunlit shallows to the darkest depths, the ocean is alive with rhythm and harmony, a symphony of life that has played for millions of years. But as we marvel at its wonders, we must also become its guardians, for the ocean's song must never fade. Beyond the reach of sunlight lies the abyss, a world of eternal darkness, where survival has birthed strange and wondrous adaptations. Here, creatures create their own light, illuminating the black void in ghostly hues. Every flash, every pulse is a signal, a message in the language of the deep. The coral reef is the heartbeat of the shallow ocean, a metropolis of dazzling colors and ceaseless movement. Home to thousands of species, each creature plays a role in this delicate, interwoven tapestry of life. But even here, survival is a game of strategy. Predators lurk in the crevices, while camouflage and deception become tools of survival. Away from the coral reefs, in the deep blue wilderness, life moves on a grander scale. This is a realm where endurance is key and where speed and power dictate survival. Among the largest inhabitants here is the magnificent whale shark, the gentle giant of the sea. Despite its immense size, it feeds on the tiniest creatures, filtering plankton through its cavernous mouth. Beneath the shimmering surface of the open ocean lies a world vast and untamed, a place where giants roam, and life moves to the rhythm of the tides. Our journey begins with one of the ocean's most spectacular performers, the humpback whale. Humpback whales, known for their mesmerizing songs, use sound to navigate, communicate, and perhaps to express the poetry of the deep. These gentle giants undertake one of the longest migrations on Earth, traveling over 5,000 miles from feeding grounds to tropical breeding waters.